Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of October, 2024, our system has ranked Intel as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.96. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently reflects a loss of -0.58% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This results in an average daily loss of -0.29% since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This scenario often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend is likely to occur. A break above the upper trend line at $22.78 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline, but it could also serve as the first sign of a potential trend shift. Analyzing the current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 38.63% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -59.85% and -37.19%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a decrease of around 41.75% over the next year, with a potential return between -55.27% and -13.39%. This corresponds to a price range of between $9.96 to $19.28 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel features the headline, "A Decline for Intel on Thursday." On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, the Intel stock price decreased by approximately 0.581%, moving from $22.39 to $22.26. This marks a consecutive decline over the last 5 days. During the most recent trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.99%, reaching a low of $21.65 and a high of $22.73. Despite the ups and downs in this time frame, there has been a gain of 5.3% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on this day, which is considered a positive sign, as volume typically should align with stock performance. On this last day, the trading volume fell by 9 million shares, with a total of 49 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.09 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $51.28, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price sits 56.59%, or $29.02, below the 52-week high, and 67.87%, or $47.03, below the all-time high recorded on January 24, 2020, when the stock peaked at $69.29. Intel Corporation continues to face significant challenges as of October 3, 2024. Recently, HCL Tech announced the utilization of Intel's Core Ultra processors for artificial intelligence-based digital workplace solutions, highlighting Intel's potential in the AI space. However, this positive development is overshadowed by Intel's ongoing struggles in key markets, particularly smartphones and artificial intelligence, which have negatively impacted its stock performance. As of recent trading, Intel's stock has dipped by 1.32%, reflecting broader concerns within the market about its competitive position. Meanwhile, competitor stocks like Nvidia are experiencing gains, further emphasizing Intel's struggles. Additionally, there are discussions surrounding a potential acquisition by Qualcomm, signaling that Intel might be seeking alternative paths to recovery amid its current hurdles. Investor sentiment is mixed, with some acknowledging the underappreciated potential of Intel's foundry business, while others are wary of its ability to navigate its ongoing challenges. In the short term, Intel's stock may remain volatile as it grapples with competitive pressures and market perceptions. In the long term, successful integration of new technologies and strategic partnerships could bolster its financial outlook, but investors will need to monitor developments closely. Overall, Intel's path forward appears fraught with difficult decisions and crucial milestones that will significantly influence its stock trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Intel a grade of equal weight with a recommendation to hold. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Intel a grade of buy with a recommendation to hold. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned Intel a grade of reduce with a recommendation to hold. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned Intel a grade of underperform with a recommendation to hold. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, it was reported that Exane BNP Paribas assigned Intel a grade of underperform with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intel. The Intel stock currently presents a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, it simultaneously exhibits a buy signal from the long-term average. This indicates that the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, leading to an overall buy signal for the stock and a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $23.17. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average at about $21.04. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal coming from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. It is important to note that some negative signals have also been issued, which may affect the near-term outlook. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, September 26, 2024, resulting in a decline of approximately 6.94%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal occurred 6 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 9 days ago. A short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 11 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 15 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 131 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflects a buy signal from 139 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $21.84. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.08 between its high and low, which is a change of 4.99%. For the past week, the daily average volatility has been 4.51%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -3 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $22.56. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this level could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $21.84. Should this support level hold, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 27th of September, 2024, Yuri Frank D made an insider purchase of 3,136,763 shares of phantom stock units. On the same day, Smith Gregory D also made an insider purchase of 1,516,102 shares of phantom stock units. On the 27th of September 2024, Eshraq Omar conducted an insider purchase of 1,306,985 shares of phantom stock units. On that same day, Goldsmith Andrea Joe performed an insider purchase of 1,254,706 shares of phantom stock units. Earlier, on the 31st of August 2024, Gowell Scott made an insider sale of 2,024 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 1.646. In total, insiders purchased 440,463 shares, while selling 421,731 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $21, reflecting a decline of 5.64%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider them sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is better regarded as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 4th of October, we anticipate Intel will open lower by approximately 4.67 cents, starting at $22.21. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.